Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we will study Writing Skills topic of English, Statement of Purpose. What is a statement of purpose? A statement of purpose, which is also known as SOP, is an application made to a university to seek admission to a particular course. It is an essay which describes you as a person, your aims and ambitions. It speaks about your journey of life and the qualities you have nurtured in the process. The scorecard or transcript gives your academic achievement. It is objective, but SOP gives an idea about your innate qualities, about your inner qualities, and is subjective in nature. The SOP gives you an opportunity to show the special qualities which makes you distinct from others, which makes you different from others. What does it explain? SOP explains why you want to join the course, what is your liking, how you have developed your liking. It justifies how you will be able to achieve your aim. It also explains why you have selected a particular university. The SOP is a gateway to your career, as the admission committee judges you or screens the application on the basis of the SOPs received. Hence, it is a very important document. Different types of SOPs. The SOPs for undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctorate would be different. The SOPs differ according to the requirement. The number of words in which an SOP is written is also different for different universities. When you will pass the Standard 12th examination and write personal statements to universities for admission to undergraduate course, you should follow the format given below. Format of SOP. The statement of purpose should be written in about 500 words, tentatively in 5 to 6 paragraphs. Begin with your introduction. Talk about your personal background, your mental makeup, and your aim in life. The second paragraph should talk about why you want to join this specific program course and your areas of interest. In the third paragraph, write about the qualities that would be helpful or suitable for this career, goal, or objective. Show how your hobbies and extracurricular activities would be helpful in strengthening. In the fourth paragraph, mention your experience in this field or an internship project you have done. You can state something which makes you distinct, different from the other applicants. In the concluding paragraph, state how admission to this particular course, university, would be beneficial, would be helpful, and how you look at it from a long-term career perspective. Useful tips. Write the statement of purpose in a clear and lucid language. Do not make spelling or construction mistakes. You should be convincing. Show determination in your career. Your purpose of choosing this particular course and university should be in accordance with your career. Remember that your personality is reflected through this. Highlight your qualities and life experiences in such a way that your application should stand out from the rest. SOP samples. Reading time. Students, this is an example of SOP taken from our English textbook. You can pause the video and read it. Here's a continuation of the same example. You can read it. Students, once you finish reading this, you will get a clear idea about this topic of statement of purpose. Thank you.